Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Circle to search. This innovative feature lets you search for anything on your phone screen without ever leaving your current application. To begin, simply long press your home button or the navigation bar. Once activated, you can use a variety of gestures like circling, highlighting, scribbling, or tapping to select the content you want to search for. It's incredibly intuitive and saves you valuable time. Activating Circle to search is straightforward. Just press and hold your home button or the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen. This action brings up a transparent overlay, indicating the feature is ready. Now, you can use your finger or a stylus to draw a precise circle around any item you wish to identify. Alternatively, highlight specific text or scribble over a broader area to initiate a search. It's designed for quick, seamless interaction. The versatility of Circle to search is truly impressive. You can search for virtually anything visible on your screen. This includes identifying specific objects within images, such as a unique piece of furniture, a stylish outfit, or a famous landmark. It's also perfect for quickly looking up definitions of unfamiliar words or gathering more information about any text you encounter. From identifying plants and animals to solving complex math equations, its capabilities are extensive. The primary benefit of Circle to search is the significant time it saves by eliminating the need to switch between applications or copy and paste information. You gain instant access to relevant search results without interrupting your workflow. For a more refined search, after you've circled an item, you can type additional keywords into the search bar that appears. This allows you to narrow down your results and find exactly what you're looking for with greater precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.